Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark and today we have a very special event because today we are going to join a club of very special Ferraris and Lamborghinis, the Challenge Stradale and the Superleggera. A special meeting and the goal is to get as many as Stradales and Superleggeras from this area, from the Netherlands, together and go for a drive. And I got a seat in the Superleggera, so we're gonna have some fun. A lovely collection of cars. Ever seen so many Stradales together? Fucking awesome.
Now, I made some cool walk-bys with my new gimbal, but the damn thing is broken and now the videos are lost forever. But lucky enough, we still got the pictures. The Lamborghini Gallardo is among one of the best cars to come from the famous Italian company. It got even more extreme with the Lamborghini when Lamborghini launched its special Superleggera version, a limited edition run of the Gallardo that even had more performance chucked into it. The Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera debuted on the 2007 Geneva Motor Show and was only available until 2008. In a 2010 press release, Automobili Lamborghini stated that 680 Gallardo Superleggeras were produced and sold in just that 1 year.
And we're off to the first stop. This is so busy, so many cars, just insane. Can you see it? No, you can't see it. Well, nothing to say. Shaken but not stirred. First stop, 10 years older. Man, oh. I can't describe how cool it is when you look in the mirrors and you see a line of 8 Challenge Stradales and some Superleggeras. It's just absolutely amazing. We lost 2 on the road. They took the wrong turn, so we have to wait until they're there. And then we're gonna line the cars up and just get a beautiful photo shoot.
Introduced in 2003, the Challenge Stradale lines up alongside the 360 Modena and the 360 Spider with the precise aim of providing drivers the performances that only a true racing car for road use can provide. The experiences coming from the Ferrari Challenge Championship and the Fiat GT races have allowed Ferrari technicians to develop solutions that make the Stradale really unique. This strong link to racing is underlined not only by a significant weight reduction, but also by its engine setup, aerodynamics, braking system and F1 style gearbox. A little more than 1,288 Stradales were built during its lifespan. The Stradale marks a new era for Ferrari, as this was the first special edition Ferrari, bringing a new tradition of building a limited series at the end of a model's lifespan. For me, a Rosso Corsa Challenge Stradale with a Nero or beige interior, a stripe and sliding windows is highly ranked on my wish list.
Hi guys, we got an unexpected surprise. Right word, hi! The Minotto is here. And I don't know if you know about the Minotto. It's a very ambitious project of a Dutchman, and he wanted a classic Ferrari car, type of car, but with modern stuff. So this car, he built it himself. It's got a 612 engine in it, Ferrari 612 engine. It's mighty fast, ultimate dangerous, but oh so beautiful. So let's take a closer look.
Okay guys, it's time to sit down, relax and just listen.
Ja, Danny is een beetje That was amazing. I took a seat in the yellow Challenge Stradale, and quite frankly, I was scared to death, but it was so much fun. That machine, that power, that oh, I love it! I love it! I love it! Really exciting. We're now lining the cars up for a photo shoot. Somehow the Lamborghinis have disappeared. I think they're upstairs. We're gonna look them up and get them back here. But what an amazing ride it was. This was, sorry. And look at all the Stradales. Fantastic, absolutely gorgeous cars.
And then it finally happened. The last camera I was using died, the batteries were all gone. And what an amazing day, what a fantastic ride, what a machines. Epic, just epic. I want to thank you guys for watching, hope you liked the video. See you again next time, and a goodbye. Oh, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, spread the word, do whatever you want, but join me on this journey. Thank you very much.